This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Donna Cardinale. Enjoy this beautiful former builder's model lakefront home, perfect for the FL retiree or first-time home buyers. Open floor plan, 2-bedroom/plus DEN2CG, features a designer eat-in kitchen west/granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, dark cherry cabinets, and amp, breakfast bar. Large great room, tile in main areas, custom blinds and amp, ceiling fans. Master bedroom with walk-in closet and his/her sinks and master bath. Den can be used as third bedroom if needed. Separate laundry room. Covered patio and amp, front porch. Paver driveway. Gated community with pool, spa and amp, tot lot. Lawn care included in low HOA fees. Premium lot with preserved views in the front and tranquil lake setting in the back is the ideal lot. This home truly is South Florida living at its best. For more information, review the details below or contact Donna Cardinale at 772-486-0864.